Working from home and feeling stuck? Here are some game-changing tips to supercharge your productivity. To stay productive while working from home, start by establishing a consistent routine, similar to what you would follow if working from an office. Begin your day at the same time each morning and create a clear structure for both starting and ending your workday. Morning rituals such as coffee or meditation can help set the tone. Setting up a dedicated workspace is essential. Choose a spot away from distractions, ideally outside your bedroom. Ensure it is ergonomic, well-lit, and conducive to focus, using noise-canceling headphones or quiet music if necessary. Avoid working in cluttered or noisy environments as this can hamper productivity. Effective time management is key. Techniques like the Pomodoro method, which involves working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes, can help maintain momentum. Break your work into manageable tasks, prioritizing them with to-do lists or digital tools. Time blocking your calendar can also help keep your work organized and prevent multitasking. Just be sure to avoid overworking, as remote work can easily blur the boundaries between personal and professional time. Take breaks and move around. Taking regular breaks is essential to maintaining productivity. Short, scheduled breaks every hour or so will refresh your mind, and stepping away for meals helps avoid burnout. Make sure to move around, stretch, or exercise lightly during these breaks to keep your body active and avoid fatigue. Minimizing distractions at home is crucial. Set clear boundaries with anyone you live with, explaining when you should not be interrupted. Use apps to block distracting websites or notifications, and put your phone on silent or in another room during focused work periods. Just a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now let's get back to it. Stay connected with colleagues to maintain a sense of team cohesion. Regular check-ins via video calls or messaging apps help keep communication flowing and prevent isolation. Social interaction, even if virtual, is important for maintaining morale and engagement. Maintain work-life balance. To maintain a healthy work-life balance, create clear boundaries between your work and personal life. Communicate your availability to colleagues, and when the workday is over, engage in activities that help you disconnect from work. Having an end-of-day ritual can signal the transition from work to personal time. Staying organized is critical for focus. Keep your workspace tidy and manage your digital files systematically to avoid unnecessary stress. A clutter-free environment encourages a clearer mind and efficiency. Need some motivation? Add a plant or two. They help boost your mood and productivity. Lastly, well-being is essential for sustained productivity. Stay physically active, eat healthily, and drink plenty of water. Regular exercise and mindfulness practices will not only keep you energized, but also help manage stress and maintain a positive outlook during remote work. By following these strategies, you can optimize your productivity while working from home, ensuring both efficiency and balance. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what kind of videos you want to see next here on the Know the 411 channel. See you next time.